thank you for being here today. It truly means so much to me to see this room filled with friends, partners, and fellow dreamers who believe in the power of transformation inside and out. Wild Skin was born from something very personal. A journey of healing, growth, and reclaiming self-confidence. Not just physically, but emotionally. As someone who has also gone through skin struggles and insecurities, I wanted to create a brand that is not just about products, but about purpose. Wild Skin is for every person who's ever looked in the mirror and wish to feel a little more confident, a little more cool. When I started this journey, I was stepping into something completely new. I've spent most of my life as an actor. Someone who interprets stories and gives life to characters that reflect human truth. But stepping into entrepreneurship, itong pag-negosyo, was a different kind of performance. One that required me to learn, to stumble, and to rise again. I was juggling between my work as an actor and as someone trying to understand the world of business. And if I'm being honest, my story, my own insecurities, became the very reason why I started Wild Skin. In my line of work, where cameras magnify every detail, it often feels like being at your best, physically, and it becomes part of the job. I've always prayed that one day we'll live in a world where people are valued not for what's seen on the outside, but for what they can do, how they can love, how they can touch lives through their passion and values. But back then, I didn't feel enough. I struggled with acne marks and acne scars. Things that I'm sure some of you, or most of you, might have noticed in my films or series. I lose sleep staring at the mirror until 3 a.m., comparing myself to others, trying to plan how to fix what I see in the mirror. It took me years to understand that there was nothing broken about me to begin with. The textures on my skin, on our skin, that they should be celebrated. They are proof that we've lived, that we've overcome something that once affected our mental, emotional, and physical health. But while textures tell a story, discoloration doesn't have to be part of it. Because I believe discoloration doesn't define who we are. That's why I created Wild Skin. Every product we're launching today was crafted with love, science, and soul. It's a reflection of that journey from insecurity to acceptance. From fear to confidence. This is just the beginning of something wild, beautiful, and bold. Thank you for being part of our day one. Maraming salamat sa mga partners mo sa Argentina. Sa lahat po na nandito ngayon. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wild Skin.
Once again, the CEO of Wild Skin, Christian Gomez.
Okay, ready? 1,